Hello and welcome to Creative Nerds. In this Photoshop tutorial, we'll be sharing with you how you can use Photoshop to merge shapes together. So we want to start off by selecting the custom shape tool, and we're going to head over to the boats, custom shapes, and we're going to select the first boat from that list. And we're just going to hold on to shift to keep our shape in proportion when we're drawing it out. We're going to move it down the canvas, and then we're going to create another shape. This time we'll stick with the theme of boats. We're going to create a new layer, and we're simply going to draw out our boat. So again, hold on to shift, keep it proportionate, and then just release once you're happy with the overall size. So there you go, we now have two separate shape layers. So what we're going to do is we're going to overlap first image, first shape, underneath the second one, so it looks like it's one boat. And then we're going to select both layers, right click once both are selected, and then there's an option called merge shapes. That then merges both of our previous shapes into one shape, which we can then treat as one shape. We can change the colour and it will change on both. We can add gradients, strokes, whatever you like. It is essentially a one shape. This is a great little tutorial which you'll use time and time again when working in Photoshop. I hope this is one that you can use in future design projects. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned to Creative Nerds for further quick tips on how to use Photoshop.